Welcome to the Hawk's Nest. If you've seen our past videos, you saw Sweet Dreams, which won Best in Show at Peace Loving Vans in 2024. And most recently, our van called the Wayfaring Star won the Best in Show at Van Fest in Cape Cod. So this is our third van, and I am building this van like no other floor plan you've seen before. I do want you guys to stick around to the end of the video because I just finished making my new RV power calculator.
It's a valuable tool. You won't want to miss it. So let's take a quick look at the Hawk's Nest. Just like Wayfaring Star, we wanted to have a family room feel in the front of the van. We love to have guests in the van, so we designed a family room with a 6-foot-long sofa in here. We can seat 4 of our friends. Above the sofa, we have tons of storage. We've got the standard pizza oven up above, and then this will have a door that goes into the cab. This is great for temperature control, sound deadening, and privacy. On this side of the living room, we're going to have another seat that will also house shoes as you come in the door. And over here, we're going to build a 3-drawer dresser. We'll be able to store clothes for 2 weeks in this dresser. Above the dresser, the entertainment center will have a 32-inch TV on a swivel mount and more cabinet storage above that. This couch is going to convert into a full-size bed, and under the couch, we'll have room for our linens.
I can't wait to show you what's hiding underneath this couch. But first, I'll show you how easy it converts to a bed. There you go. It's a full-size bed. And now check this out. Over 10,000 watt hours of battery in this baby. The LiTime batteries are the heart of this electrical system, and they keep us off grid indefinitely. If you've watched my previous videos, you saw that I use the LiTime batteries in the Sweet Dreams van, and those batteries have been on the road for 2 years now. So I went with the LiTime batteries again in this van. These are actually the smart batteries, so you can Bluetooth into these and check their state of charge. 12-volt fuse box, 110-volt breaker panel, and I have a fan here that's thermostatically controlled. So if this area gets over 86 degrees, this sensor turns on this fan and evacuates that warm air. But the coolest thing about this electrical system is this DC to DC, also known as alternator charger. So this connects directly to the chassis battery, which is fed from the alternator, and this charges our batteries at 1200 watts. So these are trusses that I made that go around the ceiling ribs in the ProMaster. There's a piece here, these 2 pieces come out, and look what it does. It makes a flat ceiling. It looks really nice. It looks really modern. It doesn't take up any more space than it would if you just used furring strips. And it makes it easier to mount your cabinets on the ceiling. Super cool. Check out this little portable power station I got. It's got 4 AC power outlets, 12-volt power here, and all of these USB ports for charging laptops or phones, whatever. And you can charge this 3 ways. I have portable solar panels that came with it. They plug right into here. It charges at about 300 watts in really good sun. I've used it to run power tools, lights, and I'll put a link to this in the description field.
Let's take this tour to the back of the van. First is the Galley. The Galley will have ample storage above the countertop. You'll have a 60-inch solid surface countertop with a sink, water filtration system for all water that comes into the water tank, and a purifier for drinking water. We've got an S&B 39-gallon fresh water tank, and we've used this tank in particular in all of Tommy's builds. It's a great tank. There's going to be deep drawers for utensils and a slide out for the cooktop. And Tommy used all PEX A plumbing in this van. There's also going to be room for a full-size trash can under the sink.
One downside to vans is that you can't see out the back. So this little device is a great solution to that problem. It gives you a really nice, clear picture of whatever is behind you. It's constantly recording whatever is behind you too. It has a 7.2-inch screen and it's solar powered, which is really cool. So this is talking to the camera that is in the back of the van, and the camera doesn't have power to it, no wires to it. I will put a link to this in the description field of this video.
On this side of the kitchen, we're going to have a huge storage drawer for pots and pans, the Dometic refrigerator, just like we have in the Wayfaring Star, microwave with air fryer, convection oven, and more storage. As we move further back, we come to the bathroom. This is going to have a 36 by 26 inch custom built shower with a toilet and nice hot water. This shower also has a window, which makes it really cool. At the very back of the van, we're going to have a door. This door will open up to the closet/garage. You'll be able to store blow-up paddle boards, scooters, or have hang-up space for your clothing. We've also built a storage box below, and the water heater tank is in a box on the right side.
Up here we have the Max Air fan, which I've placed strategically between the bathroom and the cooking area. So we used the Vela air conditioner in the Wayfaring Star, and we absolutely loved it. And this time we chose the Vela Mini. We have found that this air conditioner keeps this van very cool, even when it's sunny out. This partition wall and this partition wall over here really help cool this van down quick.
So that's the sneak peek to the Hawk's Nest. We hope you enjoyed it. In the comment section below, leave any comments or suggestions that you might have for Tommy as he finishes this build. We'd love to hear your ideas.
Don't forget to check out my RV power calculator. So whether you have a van or a camper, an RV, whatever, this power calculator can analyze all the loads, all the appliances in your RV, and it can tell you how much solar you're going to need and how much battery power you're going to need to stay off grid. We'll put a link to that in the description of this video. It's completely free for you to use.
And it's really useful. Thanks for watching.
Did you say we can't wait to see the final tour?
What?
Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when we release our final tour video.
Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the final tour when it's released. And if you're curious about the other builds that Tommy's done, those videos are on here too.
Over now.
Over now.
Adios.
Adios.
Ciao.
Farewell.
Goodbye.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Get lost. See you later.
And all that jazz. Peace.
Okay. Well, you really sounded bubbly there.
Too bubbly.
A little bubbly.
Well, I got caught on my words, so I had to fix it.
Yeah. All right, let's start over.
You maybe should sound a little more bubbly. The very first look inside the Hawk's Nest. It's not finished yet. Floor plan is something you've never seen before.
Okay. No, try again.
Yeah, you've used my words. I'm supposed to say like nothing you've ever seen before.
Okay.
Floor plan. What are you supposed to say? And you're supposed to call it the Hawk's Nest.
We're going to give you a sneak peek into the Hawk's Nest.
Aren't you going to call it the Hawk's Nest? Or am I? Tell me which one. Who says the Hawk's Nest?
You say it.
This floor plan is something never seen before. It sounds like the same one.
Yeah.
That's why I'm stuck.
I would say we're giving you the very first sneak peek because it's not done yet.
I think you're saying that.
I didn't say it's called the Hawk Nest.
No, but you're going to say it's your new build. Hold on.
So I'm not going to say the name of it. You're going to say the
Okay.
name.
Okay.
My third van
Can you
built.
start over? Because I was still getting situated and you said.
Yeah. This should probably go
No,
to
it-
this side.
I think
guess it's good enough.
There's 26 gallons of gray water underneath.
32.
There are 32 gallons of gray water storage underneath.
900 watts of solar.
900 watts of solar.